Good evening everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty's daily analysis. Before starting the discussion, if you are new here and if you didn't subscribe to my channel till now, kindly watch my previous analysis videos. And if you like those videos, and definitely do subscribe to my channel. So let's directly jump into the topic. And first of all, we'll discuss about the past analysis performance and we'll see how it has performed in today's session. So in today's session, the market has made a high of 70,766.50 and it made a low of 602.25. So if we see this level, it went this 70,766 level. So it went up to this level, that is 70,766.12, but it missed our daily target by approximately 30 points. So market took resistance at the 70,766.12 level, and from there market went down and again it closed at 70,750 levels in today's session. So however, the market has missed our daily target on the upside, but the market had hit our daily target on the lower side. That is, market went down up to the 7,631 levels, and the market break this level also, and market even went further up to the 7,602 levels on the lower side. So in today's session, the market has opened gap down opening and it made a low of this 7,602, and from there market eventually went up and it took resistance at the 7,766 levels, and finally it closed at the 7,755 levels. So if we see the levels in today's session, the market has respected even our minor resistance point and minor support points very exactly. So in today's session, the market like our analysis has went very well. So this is about the past analysis performance, and in today's session market has given good profits also. So let's move to the chart and discuss technical analysis for tomorrow's session. So let's change this to 1 hour time frame. So if we see this technical analysis for tomorrow's session, so market has opened gap down opening and market eventually went down and again it took support at this level. That is, we have drawn this circle in the like for today's analysis video on the which I have uploaded on the Monday. So my expectations when if the market goes down is like the market can go up to this level, that is 7,596 level. So but the market has made a low of 7,602 levels. So almost like hardly 3 or 4 points or 5 points. It missed our support point by hardly 4 or 5 points, and from there market took support and market eventually went up and it formed a hammer pattern in first 1 hour candle. And from there, even after forming this hammer pattern, market tried to come below this support point, that is 7,692 levels, and market tried to sustain below this level. But once the market reached this level, that is 7,648 level, market took support at this point, because if we draw a Fibonacci retracement over here, market came up to 50% of this gap of opening, and from there market took support and again market went up and closed above this support point. And if we draw a trend line connecting these highs, so it will be very helpful if I show this it in lower time frame, and I'm going to discuss about this trend line in lower time frame when I will discuss about my trade setup. So eventually market closed above this trend line, and after that market given a good rally and it went approximately up to the 17,693 level, 17,764 levels in today's session. So if the market goes high, then we are expecting market can go up to the 7,769 level, and even I have drawn this level in the previous analysis video also. And if the market closes above this level, then there is an immediate resistance point that is up to this 17,800 levels. So there are immediate resistance points. So we have already discussed about all these levels. That is, if the market directly closes above this resistance point, then there will be a slower momentum, but if the market falls down, there will be a higher momentum. So as per our discussion and analysis, because of higher momentum within the first 1 hour candle itself, the market went down up to the 7,600 levels, and because of high volatility again and because of this higher demand from the lower levels, so market again came up and it closed around the 7,750 levels in today's session. So if we see analysis for tomorrow's session, so market has to close above this 17,770 levels within first 1 hour, or at least the market has to close above the 7,800 levels within first 1 hour, because hardly there is 50 points only in, left between this previous day's high. So the market has to close above the 7,800 levels within first 1 hour. Then we can expect a further rally up to the 7,820 levels. And if the market closes above the 7,820 levels, then we can expect a further rally up to the 7,943. But if the market takes resistance at the 7,764 and if the market turns downside, then this 7,751 and the 7,692 levels will be acting as an support points, like they will be acting as a major support points for tomorrow session, because the market will be forming like lower high when compared to the previous day's high. So if a lower high is formed when compared to the previous day high, then we can expect a bearish trend to continue downside. And the market comes down and the market closes below the 7,650 or 640 levels, then we can expect a previous low has been like breached. Or if the market closes below the 7,600 level, that is if the market comes up to the 7,570 or 560 levels and the market closes below this level, then we can easily expect that market can fall up to we can expect the market can fall up to this 17,400 levels. And before that we can expect market has resumed its previous bearish trend. So it all depends how the market is going to perform in tomorrow session. But we need to wait for a clear-cut breakouts in tomorrow session, then only we can take for a long portion or short portions in the tomorrow session. So as of now, I can tell only one thing, that wait for a breakout or wait for first 1 hour candle to close, then only we can confirm if the market is going to rally or if the market is going to fall in tomorrow session. And that's why I have discussed both the upside targets and the downside targets. So it will be very helpful for you people for taking positions in tomorrow's session. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50, and coming to the trade setup. So I will explain this in 5 minutes time frame, because if I take this 1 minute time frame, then I need to zoom out a lot. So it will be easy for me to explain. So I have drawn a trend line connecting all these previous highs. So I was waiting for the market to close above this trend line, or at least the market to break this trend line. So the market has closed above this trend line at 2 o'clock, and market tried to sustain above this level. And the market, after market sustaining above this level, here we can see the market is trying to form this doji candles. So once the market, after this formation of this doji candles, we can see a small bordered candle, and directly took entry point in this 3 o'clock candle. So it was a very late entry for a intraday trading, but it was a good entry point. So I have taken entry point in this opening price of this 3 o'clock, and it was a minimal entry. I took a minimal position size for today's session because it's already late. And when the market went up, and my target was like this 17,769 levels was my target point. That is my first target point. And if the market closes above this level within like 5 or 10 minutes, then I thought of market can go up to this previous day's high. But the market couldn't go up, so I thought it's already 3.5, and I thought of exiting in this 310, because for intraday trading we need to close our positions by 315 or 320, but I won't take that much of risk. So most of the times I close before 310 or 3.5 only, and most of the times I won't trade up to 3 o'clock. So as I took entry late in today's session, that's why I was waiting for the session to close above these levels. So that's why I have been waiting for the market to go up, but the market didn't go. It was like going sideways. So I thought market can go sideways, and I booked partial profits in this 310 candle, and I was I booked partial profits, and remaining partial portions I carry forward for tomorrow's session, hoping that market can go up in tomorrow's session. So in tomorrow's session, the market can test this level, that is 7,732 initially, and from there market can rebound again, and the market closes above the 7,760 levels, 770 levels, then we can easily expect the market can go up to the 7,800 and 7,820 levels, and this 820 level will be our final target for tomorrow's session. So this is about the trade setup for today's session and the technical analysis for tomorrow's session. So coming to the individual levels of tomorrow's session. In today's session, the market has closed at 17,754, and if the market is trying to move up, the 17,775 levels will be acting as an important resistance point, and if the market is trying to come down, the 17,735 levels will be acting as an important support point, and these two levels will be acting as a central zone. And if the market closes above this level, and if the market sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further rally up to this 17,842 level, and this will be our daily target. And if the market sustains above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 17,930, and this will be our extreme target. So if the market closes below this level, that is 7,735 level, and if the market sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to the 7,674, and this will be our daily target. And if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to the 7,594, and this will be our extreme target on the downside. So this is about the technical analysis of Nifty 50, and it is an in detail technical analysis, and it includes like our past analysis performance and individual level analysis, and at the same time my trade setup also. So I hope you have liked this video until now. If you like my video, then don't forget to like my videos by hitting the like button. So let's move to the discussion of Bank Nifty. So let's start the discussion with the past analysis performance. And in today's session, the market made a high of 41,625 and it made a low of 41,100. And if we see these levels, 41,625 level, it has made a high of 41,625, which is above the daily target of Bank Nifty, and it made a low of 41,100, which is a low, which is very much lower than the daily target of the Bank Nifty. So it has tested both upside daily target and downside daily target, and in today's session, Bank Nifty has given very good profits. So I hope you have got good profits in the Bank Nifty in today's session. So let's discuss about the technical analysis of Bank Nifty for tomorrow's session. So let's change the chart to higher time frame, that is hourly time frame. So in today's session, the market has opened gap down opening, and if we see, if the initial balance candle is a doji candle, and the follow-up candle is an interbar candlestick pattern, and the third candle, which is like 11-15 candle, it's a small bodied candle, and it closed above this interbar candlestick pattern. So then definitely it indicates a bullish momentum in the like Bank Nifty. And apart from this candlestick setup, if we see the Fibonacci retracement, the market has given a good rally in the previous day, and from there we can see a good retracement in the Bank Nifty. And the market has retraced up to this 38.2% retracement in the previous swing, and it has tested and took support at this 38.2% retracement, and from there market tried to move up. So I thought market can go up to previous day high, that is 41,650 or 660 levels or 670 levels, and from there if the market closes above this previous day's high, then easily we can expect a further rally up to this 41,750 or 800 levels. And the 750 or 800 levels, these levels will be coinciding with the target points of this double bottom chart pattern on the higher levels. So I was expecting market to test these levels, but the market couldn't close above the previous day's high, and it closed below like previous day's high only. So if the market closes previous day's high in tomorrow's session within the first 1 hour candle, then we can expect a further rally up to this 41,850 or 900 levels in tomorrow's session. But if the market takes exactly resistance point at this 41,656 or 670 levels, and if the market turns downside, then this 41,411 or 41,298 levels will be acting as an important support point. And if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 41,150 levels, and this will be our major support point for tomorrow's session. And you can see a double bottom chart pattern in the Bank Nifty pattern, Bank Nifty chart. So wait for the chart pattern to complete, then only we can take short positions in the Bank Nifty once the market closes below this neckline. So as of now, I'm expecting market to form a double top chart pattern. So in lower levels, it has formed a double bottom, and in the higher levels, I'm expecting to form a double top. But before that, if the market rises above this level, then this double top chart pattern gets invalid, and it can go up to this level, that is 41,850 or 900 levels. But if the market doesn't go above this level, 41,660 or 670 level, then we can expect the market to form a double top, and from here we can expect a good fall in the Bank Nifty. So even if we draw a trend line, the market has completed its bullish trend. As the resistance line is approaching, then we can expect these kind of bearish chart patterns or bearish chart pattern setups to form. So this is about the technical analysis of Bank Nifty. And if we discuss about our trade setup in today's session, so the market has opened gap down opening, and exactly the market sustained this 38.2 retracement for approximately 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, market tried to move up, and market tried to close above this support point, that is 41,300 levels. But the market couldn't sustain for at least half an hour also, and market again eventually came down. And if we see, the market closed above, and market came down, again closed above, and again came down. Finally, it closed above this support point, and market tried to sustain above this level only. So once the market tried to sustain above this level, I thought market can go up to our previous day's high, because market in the lower levels already it has tested our daily target. So I thought market can go up to these levels, and I have taken my stop loss. I have put my stop loss at this 40,990 levels on the lower side, and I took long positions in the bank nifty, expecting the market can go up to this previous day's high. But the market reached up to today's day's high, but I exited early here in this 3 o'clock candle, only 3 or 3.5 candle, because it's already late for me to hold my positions up to this levels. And I thought it's better to exit in the bank nifty, because I have taken late entries in the nifty, so I need to manage those levels. So I booked my profits in the bank nifty at the market price in these levels, and I have invested some amount of money in the nifty, and I booked partial profits in nifty also, and I have rest of the positions I carried for tomorrow's session. So this is about my trade setup for today's session in the nifty bank nifty. And let's discuss about the individual level analysis for tomorrow's session. In today's session, the bank nifty has closed at 41,577 level, and if the market is trying to move up, this 41,638 levels will be acting as an important resistance point. And if the market is trying to go down, this 41,525 levels will be acting as an important support point, and these two levels will be acting as a central zone. And if the market closes above this level, that is 41,638 level, and if the market sustains above this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further rally up to this 41,837, and this will be our daily target on the upside. And if the market closes above this level, then we can expect a further rally up to this 42,097, and this will be our extreme target on the upward side. And if the market closes below this level, and the market sustains below this level for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour, then we can expect a further fall up to this 41,357, and this will be our daily target on the lower side. And if the market closes below this level, then we can expect a further fall up to this 41,137, and this will be our extreme target on the downside. So this is about the technical analysis of nifty and bank nifty, and as well as this video includes all like in detail analysis of nifty and bank nifty, that includes like past analysis, performance, individual level analysis, and my trade setup and all. So I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like my videos. So kindly follow my videos regularly, so that you can gain good profits. I'm not assuring you that you can gain good profits. It completely depends upon how you analyze my analysis, and how you like build up your trade setup by looking my analysis. So it completely depends upon your emotions and your trade setup that you create based on my analysis. So I hope like I will be helping you a little bit, but it is like you are the ultimate thinker, or ultimate thing that you need to plan, and you need to execute, and you need to book the profits. So I hope you have enjoyed my video, and you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, thumbs up for me. So let's meet in another video. Until then, bye bye, Jai Hind.